Meet Matthew, an 8-month-old baby who's been having a hard time turning his neck to the left, as you guys can see on the video there. And as you can see, this can affect him and his mom as well. And in this case, he has a C2 subluxation, which is just a pinched nerve on his upper neck area that's not allowing him to turn. But see and look what a gentle chiropractic adjustment is able to achieve. You saw that little kick there? And that was his neck being freed. And now he can turn his neck fully to the right and to the left. And now he's happy, mom's happy, we are happy. So read the caption below for more information on chiropractic.